Alright, hi everybody, I'm Felix and I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of CloudRail. And yeah, our goal with CloudRail is to connect the unconnected. Let's have a quick look on the Internet of Things. It's basically about smart devices which are connected to each other. If you add traditional cloud services, software to it, then we are usually speaking about the Internet of Everything. The vision of a fully connected world. But, I mean, actually, it is just the vision, because the situation today looks more like that. We have these cool smart devices, we have awesome cloud services, but hell, they're not talking to each other. They're just not compatible. And the reason for that are different interfaces, so-called APIs, different data structures, and different semantics. So, if you want to create an interoperable application, then you have to do manual integrations for each single service and each single device. And if you are a software developer, then you know how painful it is to do even 3 integrations. So, how should we ever connect all these things in the Internet of Everything? The solution for that is CloudRail. CloudRail is a single, universal and adaptive API for all services and all smart devices. So instead of doing all these manual integrations for each device and each service, you just integrate CloudRail into your application and you get access to the Internet of Everything. Our customers, basically everybody who wants to create interoperable solutions, so software developers, so-called ISVs, platform vendors, but also hardware vendors. We are currently an international team of 8 industry experts. We have one of the most talented software engineers, and we've already been successful entrepreneurs. And we can do it again. Speaking of funding, we already raised our seed round of about €500,000 last year, and our plan of record is to raise Series A mid next year. But we are also open and considering an additional seed round right now, so open for discussions and first contacts on both rounds. Yeah, that was a very brief overview about CloudRail. If you have questions, feel free to shoot me a mail. And if you are a front-end or a full-stack web engineer, we are hiring, so we need good people. Thank you very much.
So what's your current traction? I mean, you have customers. How many APIs did you integrate already? Where do you stand?
We are currently in the alpha stage, so we're preparing the beta release. We have a list of interested developers, which is quite nice. And we're currently talking with one of the biggest players in the IoT area, so IBM, for instance, or Intel, and they committed high interest, and they proved that there's the problem and we could solve the problem, so looks pretty good.
On the consumer side, I mean, there's if this then that, and then on the B2B side, there's already also some players, at least in the SaaS space, doing similar work. So where do you come in exactly? I mean,
so yeah, the IPaaS services is a competition. Basically, we have a different technical approach, that's the right word. So based on this, we can be significantly cheaper, we can scale much better, and we are more secure.
I mean, okay, what's different? You did say, just,
yep.
you know, like, one buzzword maybe.
IPaaS is hosted middleware,
yeah.
So there's something in between, so all the data is going through a middleware.
Sure.
We are basically an SDK which is directly integrated into the software, and this API can learn how to work with other services and other devices, but in the end the data is transferred directly between the software, for instance, and the device, so as it should be peer-to-peer.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.